This is the way we make 2. Then let's go to use this one, the beads maker, a bracelet. So it come set by this kind of the beads. It will be nice. I'm going to make a piece of the bracelet. So here, let me see. Let's use the wire 0.8 or 1 millimeter. Let's see if the size work to go through the hole. Thank you. It's cut. Here, let's go through by the wire 0.8. It's here. And then we go to use the wire 0.4. Here. Go through 0.4. It's here. Then let's see if we're going to make it by the eye. Make a wrap a eye. Let's try the different way to wrap. Here we wrap the eye first. Here. Tight. Then here the extra wire we don't need. Here. Wrap. If you are interested in handmade, here will be a nice place for you to learn wrap. So here you can see how I wrap the tips. Let me show you. This wire always come layer by layer. I'm not go up. I'm not always go the down. So that is neat. Okay. Tight wrap. And here also this way. You can see the back and see the front. Here, front, back. So the wire always at the front. Then wrap here. This go side and on front wrap side neat and wrap on the side and we wrap here on the side. Then we wrap here on the side. So always keep on the side and wrap here. This here. So it's like this. Okay, thank you, my friends. If you are first time in my live streaming, here will be a place for you that you can learn the jewelry. Thank you so much. So it's an eye we finish. Eye with the back effect and the front effect. Okay, here first one piece.